Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It is time for another video and give you a warm welcome. I'm hoping you all are having a great day. It's road trip time. We are going to Bowling Green, Kentucky for the Holley Ford Fest 2023. There's going to be a lot of social media influencers there. So I cannot guarantee you that I can bring you the best of footage, but I'll bring you the best that I can from where my standpoint is, because you got to have a lot of media credentials, and it's just a crazy event like that. So what I mean by crazy, it's good. I just wanted to throw that in there. We're filming on my GoPro, but I have the other camera. So this may be a 2-day or a 2-video upload here. So the first video is we're going to stop at different places and just take some pictures and stuff and just make a day of it. And we may be able to go by the Corvette plant too on top of that. So it'd be pretty cool. Even though we're Ford guys, we'd like to go by the Corvette plant. So it's also in Bowling Green, Kentucky, in case you don't know. So enough rambling. Let's get into the car and I'll give you guys an update really soon. So take care, guys. Alright, this thing is filthy dirty. We're going to clean it when we get to Bowling Green. But as you can see here, we are rocking the Gen 1 Coyote with minimal bolt-ons. But what I'm doing here, before we take on any road trip, first off, make sure that we have our oil is on point. It's really hard to tell. So what we do here is I'm going to clean this off and I'm going to put it back in there. But the oil looked pretty clean, didn't it? So we're going to put the oil back in the dipstick. Always check your oil before any kind of a long trip like that, because you just don't know if it's low or not. Make sure we got coolant. We got coolant, so we're good. It's just always to take precautions before you go on these little long jumps like that. Make sure our oil level is good. Or maybe we're just a tad over a little bit. You probably can't really see that. So, but the oil looks pretty decent. But when we get back in a couple weeks, we're going to change the oil. And so once again, if you are just joining in on us, why don't you hit the like button, share and subscribe. Maybe in the future dropping a merch line down. So I can't talk this morning. I'm so excited, I'm nervous. But anyways, let's get into the car and let's get on with it. Well, guys, we are in Hickory, North Carolina. We just topped off of fuel. Took $36.50 to completely fill it up. Gas is $3.99 here in North Carolina. I don't know where it is in your state, but if you are close to me, you know, you can realize that. No, but we are on 93 octane. I don't put E85 in this car for just, you know, because I don't drive this car that much, and ethanol is not really good for a fuel system. It can gum it up. You know, I'd recommend E85 if you drove the car every day and you were playing and beating on it every day. This car is not for that. But I'm gonna cut the chatter. But we have a long trip ahead of us. We got about 400 miles we're gonna knock out today. We're going, way it's taking us, we're going to hit 40. We're going to hit through Nashville, Tennessee. We're going to go up that way. So I'm going to have to get my GPS out here pretty soon. And just, you know, and just be safe about this and be smart. You know, common sense goes a long ways. But I am nervous about this trip. But, you know, if anything happens, you know, it's just life, you know, it happens. But I'm not worried about it. But I do know in the end, will the trip be worth it? Absolutely. So, enough chatter. I will be picking up an update when we get to Tennessee. Alright guys, I figure I'll give y'all a little update on where we're at. We're coming up Black Mountain. Beautiful scenery up through here. We're not out of North Carolina just yet. We got a little ways to go, but I figure I'll just show you guys the nice scenery around here. It's at Hampton Inn, but some nice scenery around. But the clouds and fog and around. I should have took the video of us going up the mountain. That was pretty interesting to see the trucks struggling to get up the hill, but you know, with the big load like that, you know, they don't have a choice. But right now everything's looking good. 198 degree cylinder head temp, inlet air is 64 degrees. So I'd say we're off to I'd say a pretty good start. What do you think?
Yep.
But we've got about 128 miles to Knoxville, Tennessee. But we're headed to our destination. You know, we just gotta keep trucking. I just figured I'd bring you guys a small little update on what's been going on. And I didn't want to bore you with the gas, getting all the gas and stuff. But it's pretty nice scenery up here. But like I was saying earlier, this is probably more than likely going to be a 2-upload deal, because this is going to be so much to film. But there's just so much. It's nice scenery up through here, guys. It's beautiful. But better set my cruise. This thing here, you better set the cruise, because if you don't, you'll be breaking the speed limit before you know it. So this thing loves it. But it wanted to get up to 210 cylinder head temp, which is very normal when you go up a hill like that. Looks like we're fixing to go up another hill here in a second. But, yep, just a small one. But I'll be posting another update when we get to Tennessee. Alright, it's not a road trip without going to a place called Buckys. If you point to the sign, this is like one of the biggest service stations you've ever seen in your life. We need gas anyway. Alright, we've got a roundabout we gotta be keeping. So, alright, roundabout. Let's see. Alright, it's our time to go. Alright, let's see. But yeah, it's not a Bucky's. I mean, it's not a trip without a Bucky's here, guys. Oh man, we got a lot of editing to do. But yeah, this is gonna be a 2-part vid. You know, go ahead and point. Look how big that service station is. Man. Literally, this is a big place. I can't think of the distance. Oh, this is good. 220. Yeah, we definitely need fuel. And we're gonna park, we're gonna walk in, give this thing a break, and get to our destination after this. What do you think? Think
Yep.
that's a good idea? Yeah, let's give this thing some, let's top it back off with fuel, and we'll go in here and see what Bucky's is about, and we'll check it out. Alright guys, we couldn't get a stop. I couldn't even get a parking spot at Bucky's. And so I'm having to, I had to, okay, the people here are about retarded, but 13 miles from 25 west north, I think is what it says here. It's really hard to tell, but it's telling me to go. Yeah, we're going to go 13 miles to I-640 west and north, and we're going to go up I-60. We're going to hit I-65 and go around that way. Once again, Nashville is a nightmare at this time of day, and I don't want to deal with all that, so we're going to go avoid all that, because I was going through my comments on my Facebook page, and this lady was recommending that I go around the other way. So yeah, kind of a debacle, but it'll be okay. I'm having a great time. My son's having a great time. Had a great little stop there at Wendy's. You know, it's been a nice vacation, hasn't it, so far?
Yep.
But however, I better behave, because the cops are lingering around now, so we can't be getting on this thing too much. But anyways, that's all I got. What's up? Guys, you ain't gonna believe what I just pulled up. A Mazda Miata with a green window tint, and it sounds like shit. Cloud chaser right there. Listen to that thing. You hear that?
Oh.
Dude, your car sounds like shit. We're just sitting here laughing at you. Go ahead and keep chasing the cloud. Your car. Well, we are officially in the state of Kentucky. We literally have. I've been looking on my phone. I'm not texting while I drive. That's just a bad idea. But we are 147 miles out from our destination. The car is performing flawless. Literally, I can't complain with this car, and we're just cruising along. We're on 27 right now, Highway 27 north, and I believe it's going to take us to I-65. I believe that is our next turn. No, it's going to take us to west. Not west. It's going to take us to Cumberland Parkway west to Bowling Green. That's where I see the word west now. And then it's going to say 86 miles south to Bowling Green. So, and then we get off of on 231 to Scottsville, 700 feet, which is our hotel. So the good thing is, you know, the fuel is a little cheaper, but wow, we have come a long ways. And am I tired? Just a little bit. So when we get to the hotel, I'm going to edit and upload this video right away. So hopefully you guys will see it, you guys will enjoy it, and just show them around. It's a nice country up through here, and yeah, it's a nice country. It's just, if you like these kind of videos, let me know. We're filming on the GoPro. I just didn't use the Canon or anything this time because it's shaky, it's heavy. So I may pull out the Canon later on for the main event tomorrow, and we'll probably do some Saturday, and we may stop at a hotel late Saturday night for maybe one night, kind of sleep in, and probably upload that one directly. So that's really all I've got for you guys, and I'm gonna let you go. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys at the hotel. This thing's performing great. 27 miles per gallon, you can't beat that. So once again, guys, I was going to say I'd see you at the hotel, but I have back issues and I have to stretch my legs once in a while. So we stopped here at this little convenience store, got us some water and some Reese's cups. We're good to go. So now I believe we're officially ready to knock out this last 45-minute drive that we have of this trip. And when we go back, we get to experience this all over again. So I'm going to be tired come Sunday, that's for sure. But for right now, let's get this thing started, back on the road, and I'll talk to you guys at our destination. So see you there. Did he just? I could have swore he just revved.
What you got on it?
It's stock, bro.
It's stock?
Yeah.
That shit sound good though.
Yeah. It's a stock Gen 1 with Cook's long tubes, X pipe,
Oh shit.
and it's got Flowmaster.
Yeah. This shit sound good. I like it, man.
I like your car too. It sounds good.
You say that, bro?
Hey, what do you got done to yours?
Yeah, that's fine.
What do you got? What do you got done?
Nothing, stock. I just got it like 6 months ago. Yeah, it's stock.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we're long hauling. We're from North Carolina.
Yeah, I'm from Alabama, man.
We're going to Holley Ford Fest.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Drive safe, man.
All right, you too, man. Be careful.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Anyway, guys, I heard our starter rev, and I was like, all right, well, we'll have a little revving contest. Y'all missed it, so I was like, fire up the camera. So. All right, guys, we have made it to the Microtel, and this is our hotel stay for the day. I'll post an update video here in a few minutes on how the hotel room looks and everything. And we are not far from Beach Bend Dragway. So we're gonna get settled in, and I'll pick up the camera and we'll be back out here pretty soon. So I gotta go in here and pay for my room. So let's get that done, and I think we are pretty tired. What do you think?
Yep.
We've been on the road since about 10, so well, we made decent time. So 6 o'clock now, so about 7-hour trip. So let's get inside and get settled in, and we'll film an outro. Well, guys, we just made it back to the hotel. We got settled in for the night, had a great drive up here, and I've got to get this video edited, uploaded, and get some rest tonight. So tomorrow's going to be a fun-filled day. Holley Ford Fest. I've been waiting for this moment. There's going to be just non-stop drag racing, drifting, off-roading, you name it, it'll be there. And I'm looking forward to bringing all you guys the best content possible. And that's really all I have for you for tonight. The trip went well. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I know I say that multiple times, but it does help the channel grow. So I'll see you guys in the next upload. Have a great night.